Mariana, the very first question, you were talking about evaluation and how you embed it in activities. So will you just talk a little bit more about what that looks like? Like I was really trying to imagine. So let's just take this one for example. One of my favorite activities that I do, mostly I do it around the holidays, is, I stole it off Pinterest, is to take, like a clear plastic bottle and you put warm water in it, and then you put like liquid glue, and then you put glitter, and you make like a snow globe out of, and I love putting like silver and gold and giving kids, they can choose whatever one they want. And often I'll get kids around the table, so I'll make like 4 or 6 spots, and then parents are usually standing behind them. And what I really want is more for parents to learn from this activity, because those globes are great for things like, okay, you have this much time to brush your teeth. I'm going to shake it up, and when it all settles to the bottom, your teeth should be brushed. Or here's a great way, shake it up. By this time you can read a story in your bed, and then you should fall asleep. Or you need to chill out, so go over and sit in the corner, and when all this settles, you'll be calmer, and you can come back and join us. Okay, if I wanted to, so I do that activity, which is I have the bottle with the warm water and the glue already in it. All you have to do is pour in the gold glitter, or the silver glitter. But then I want to talk to the parents a little bit about how else they can use this. But I'm trying to think of, how do I embed the evaluation in an activity?
Well, it depends on what you want to know. So if I wanted to know, did I help parents make a connection between how this thing they made could be also used as I'm trying to encourage my child to take on good habits, or to figure out how to control himself or herself. It just depends. So if you wanted that, as you were talking about
I'm more interested in, did those parents find this worth my $16 to come to the museum today?
Right. So then what you could do is, as parents are watching, or if there's, a lot of it depends on traffic. So are they moving fast to the next thing? Is there a place they can go?
Time.
Can they walk away from their kids for a while to post something on a board a few feet away? I mean, a lot of it's logistics. We had to play with that a lot at the USS Constitution Museum, of like, well, that's a good idea, but we can't figure out how to make that happen, in terms of timing and what the parents are willing to do at that point, or kids. So if there are things they could do, I could think there might be ways that they could post ideas. It's like your visible learning. They could post ideas for how to use this, or what what's the value of my child making this, or how could I use this again? And you seed it with a little bit of like, I'm going to time this for the toothbrushing, or not all the ideas, but just a few, so they start to get it. And then maybe there's some, I don't know, whatever you think has come up that seed it a little bit, have the question or the prompt there, and have sticky notes, or they can write it on the board, or whatever you have physically that's fun and interesting. Then as the parents sit there, then the facilitator can say, okay, so you might go check how some other adults have figured out how this project has a life after. Maybe it's, what's the life after this, right? Oh, I'm going to do this for my Girl Scout troop. I'm going to, it could be all kinds of things, but then other parents can stand there and read that. And come away with these great ideas. And if they contribute to it, it's not the traditional evaluation of like X percentage of parents reported this, but it does, as that gets populated, you say, okay, I'm feeling good that parents are getting this. They're getting something out of it as well. So I feel like you could ask the direct question, what makes this worth my $16? It's a little aggressive to me. It's a little bit like saying there might not be. But if you have this prompt, this kind of idea sharing board there, and you see them, maybe I don't contribute one, but I take one away. Oh, this is a great idea. And you hear them going out, we're going to use this, so remember when we do this, we're going to turn it up and see if you can do it in that amount of time. And I think that's the connection you want to make. So that would be, and it's fun, and the adults would have something to do rather than just stand and watch.